The following video provides step-by-step instructions on how to change the Rotoflex Resource Recovery Strainer Filter media. This process requires at least 2 people. Turn off water flow to the Rotoflex. Ensure the rotation of the Rotoflex has stopped. Raise the media to the up position. Engage the safety lock and lock and tag if required with the wheel in the up position. Disconnect the 16 snap hooks from the inside ring of the wheel. Remove the 22 grommets from the outside of the wheel. Hold on to the media while removing the final grommet. Pull the media towards you and remove it from the tank. Install the 16 snap hooks onto the new media. Drop the media into the tank. And pull it under the distributor arms. Attach the 22 grommets to the outside of the wheel. Attach the 16 snap hooks to the inside ring of the wheel. Remove the lock and tag if attached from the safety lock. Disengage the safety lock. Lower the media into the running position. Remember to follow your company's safety procedures whenever working with Kadant products, and read all instructions completely before proceeding.